Hi, I'm Kip from kiphakes.tv and today I am unboxing something. What is that something? Well, it is these. These are the MEE Professional M6 PRO in-ear musicians monitors. You're probably thinking, why you got musicians monitors? You're not a musician and I'm not. But I plan to use them when I'm recording videos and doing streaming just to keep a bit more of a track on how the audio is sounding. I do usually have it coming out of my speakers at a very low level, but I just think having some in-ear monitoring would be a little bit better. So that's why I've got these guys. Now, they say they're professional, but they don't really have a professional price tag. They retail for just under £40, which is quite a bargain. And I'm looking forward to giving them a try, but before I can give them a try, I need to get them out of the box. So let's do that. Right, okay, what do we have? M6 Pro accessories inside. Okay, there's nothing else that's in the box, so I kind of like how that's presented. So we've got a case. What do we have? We've got a coupon for 10% off your customization. Oh, you can have like your own customized ear things. Nice. What have we got? We've got a quick start guide. Let's have a little look at that. Okay, so it just outlines everything that's in the case. And how to go through it all. And then what is in here? Okay, so there seems to be a cable. Is this the actual monitors or just a cable for them? Ooh. There we go. Aha, right, okay, so these do come with two cables, and I think this is the second one, and it's actually got a microphone built in, so you can use these with your phone if you so wish. So that's pretty cool. So that there is the phone bit, and it's all see-through. I quite like that. It's a bit different, isn't it? It's got the microphone in. And I think that is a TRRS cable, I think. Right, okay, so we've looked at that. Let's have a look what's inside this nice little case. Okay. So, we've got the actual monitors in here. They're held in with some foam. A bit tight. That's what she said. Okay. And there we go. So that holds them in nicely. And then it's just a guide about removing the cables, because the cables can disconnect from here. I should read the guide before trying to remove them. But yeah, you can switch out the cables. And it comes with these ear tips in. We'll have to see what the correct ear tips are for me. What else is in this little bag? So these have got some comfort foam earphone tips, and these are sort of like a memory foam, so they go right in your ear hole and really isolate the noise. And then we've just got a variety of different tips there. There we go. All different shapes and sizes for all different ears. And then this, I need this. So this is, I think, 6.35mm jack. That'll go in front of my audio interface. That's good. Perfect. So there we go. So let's untangle these. Have a closer look. I'll take that off for now. So here they are. I love the see-through nature of them. That's really cool. That's really smart. And yeah, there is like a little slot here for you to put some custom artwork in, which I would definitely consider. And there's like a bendy wire to make them wrap tight around your ears. So that's awesome. And then we've got this here to adjust where they're held on you. And then we've got a point here where the left and right ear merge into one cable. We've got a TRS on this end here. Perfect. Okay, right, well, I guess the next job is to put them in your ear. And they are labeled here. Should be able to see that. This is my left ear. This is for my right ear. And we'll give it a go. Feed the cable behind me. There we go. I will get better at this. Right, let's just pull the adjustment up a bit. And I just need to wrap them around my ear a little bit more. That's perfect. That looks really good. Amazing. I think though, the cable's a bit too short. See? But it's not the end of the world. Okay, that's pretty good. Well, let me just put some music into them, just to have a little listen. Right, let's see if I can get the cable round. There we go. It's not as slick as it would normally look, but we can do it, and I can plug the headphones into the front of my interface. There we go. Right, let's fire up the old Spotify. They're really comfy actually, really comfy. Oh wow. Okay, I wish you could hear how good they are. They sound very nice. For what is something that is relatively cheap, it's only got a single driver. Okay, that is really good. That is amazingly good, actually. I'm impressed by that. That sounds fantastic. Excellent. Yeah, it's just a shame that the cable's a little bit shorter than I'd like, but they just tuck away really nicely. See? I really like that. And yeah, we've got this lovely little case to keep everything nice and secure in, as well as these different earbuds. So from memory, I think they've got a 2 or 3 year warranty, which is really good. And also you get a 50% discount off replacement parts should you need to. Apparently they are designed to be sweat resistant. I don't really get sweaty when streaming, but if you're an actual musician, you probably would get a bit sweaty. But I'm really impressed with them. They look fab. Feel like a really good quality, and the cable doesn't look like it's going to be that kind of type of cable that gets horribly twisted and really hard to untangle. It just all kind of springs out quite nicely. It's got a nice metal core to it. Well, there's not much else for me to say. Just a quick note, if you do enjoy my videos, then please do sign up to my Patreon. It really helps support this channel. Just go to www.patreon.com/KitPakes and you can pledge a small amount of money or a larger amount of money. You can do it once, you can continually do it. It's completely up to you. But I use the Patreon pledges to buy stuff like this to show you guys. So if you want more content on the channel, sign up. but you know, there's no need to do it if you can't afford it or you don't really like me. I don't know why you'd watch this far even if you didn't. But anyway, all that's left for me to say is thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll be back soon for some more vlogging fun. See ya!